In the wake of the Gulf oil disaster, today more than ever in this post-spill era, all efforts to stop any oil or fuel that can be prevented from getting into the waterways must be the primary concern for everyone around the world. But this disaster of poisoning the waterways has been happening every day, all around the globe, going largely unnoticed. It only takes 1 liter of fuel to poison 1 million liters of water. The majority of oil pollution in our rivers, streams, and oceans comes from everyday sources, like refueling, engine emissions, and oil leaks. Refueling spills are a daily occurrence everywhere, and these small refueling spills, although unintentional, are often considered unavoidable by fuel vendors and boat owners. Still, the small spills do matter, and they add up. Every year in North America, recreational boaters put more than 1 billion liters of hydrocarbon pollution into our waters. In addition to the fuel spilled, the amount of hydrocarbons lost in fumes while fueling all watercraft, from pleasure boats to large ocean vessels, is huge. These toxic fuel vapors can cause headaches, dizziness, nausea, vomiting, breathing difficulties, and eye and throat irritations. To overcome all of this, you can turn your fueling operation into a no-spill zone with a brand new product called SmartFill Fueling Systems. This high-speed fueling system makes a difference by stopping damage to the waterways, to our environment, because a no-spill zone is a no-kill zone for aquatic wildlife, plants, and fish. If you're a small boater, a captain or owner of a large ocean-going vessel or fleet, a marina or terminal operator, or someone running an offloading and fueling operation, it's time to make the right choice and save the waterways and your health by adding the SmartFill worldwide patented high-speed fueling system to your business. This technology is simple to use and effective at eliminating spillage, saving our ocean waters and drinking water supply, while also helping to clear the atmosphere of greenhouse gases by reducing the number of harmful fumes that fuels give off, polluting the air during refueling. Never before has there been a fueling system able to eliminate all damages to our air and waterways like the solutions now available with SmartFill high-speed fueling and refueling systems. Using SmartFill doesn't just mask the problems caused by liquid spills and toxic gases, it solves these problems completely. Even better, SmartFill helps save you money and time by getting the job done 2 to 3 times faster. Let's look at how the SmartFill system works. With its innovative tank monitoring systems, the refueler can fill the boat, truck, or vessel up to 3 times faster, while significantly reducing the chances of spilling. The boat owner, fleet operator, or captain doesn't need to install anything. They just ask for fuelers that have the SmartFill system. With SmartFill, continuous refueling without spills at speeds of 40 gallons per minute are achieved, compared to an average operating fuel flow rate of around 18 gallons per minute for other systems. The SmartFill system is used in conjunction with and thereby aids the existing fuel pump station during customer fueling. A vent head module that is part of the SmartFill system is placed over the vent of the boat and held in place with suction cups that run off compressed air. Apart from attaching the vent head module, the boat is fueled normally by inserting the standard fuel nozzle from the pump into the boat's fuel tank fill hole. The SmartFill system's design dramatically reduces the risk of refueling spills either through the vent or blowbacks burping at the filler, while also significantly increasing the boat's readiness to accept fuel. And the speed in which the fuel can be pumped with SmartFill makes the boat no longer a limiting factor. Without SmartFill, this is what happens when fueling a boat. Fuel enters the fuel tank and air is displaced. The air leaves the tank wherever it can through the path of least resistance, either the vent line as designed or through the fuel fill. With increased fueling speeds, the greater volume of fuel entering the tank requires an equally rapid displacement of air. With SmartFill, the volume of air removed by the system is actually greater than the volume of fuel entered by today's marine tankers or fuel stations. Thus, the system pulls a small amount of air in through the fuel fill. As a result, burping, blowbacks, and vent spills are prevented. The sensor unit constantly monitors the changing levels of pressure in the fuel tank and the air volume and liquid volume levels in the vent lines, so that without regard to the boat's own fuel level indicators, the SmartFill system is able to determine when the fuel tank is full. And since SmartFill speeds fueling or offloading vessels up to 2 to 3 times faster than without the system, it can save you time and money too. You can also increase capacity at your fuel docks by more than 50%. Definitely a money-making advantage. Additionally, your insurance costs are reduced, and the costs of fines can be virtually eliminated. Even more recently, with the advent of carbon credits, there will be substantial money available as a direct result of using the SmartFill system. Make your marina or fueling operation a no-spill zone today. Don't pump another drop of fuel without the SmartFill high-speed fueling system. We have systems designed for the smallest to the largest operators. So whether you own a small fueling station, a huge marina, or mega terminal, call today and find out how to get pumping faster and cleaner with SmartFill. It will make a big difference to your clients, the environment, and your bottom line. Call now and see how you can be a SmartFill operator today.